Hello students. Today we will start with chapter of first class 10th real numbers size 1.4. Your first question is on the screen. Without actual division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating or non-terminating or repeating decimal expansion. Your rational numbers are given here. First point 13 upon 3125, 17 upon 8, 64 upon 455, fourth point 15 upon 1600, fifth point 29 upon 343, sixth point 23 upon 2 to power 3 into 5 power 2, seventh point, eighth point, ninth and 10th point given you. First I solve first point 13 upon 325. So students, first terminating or non-terminating. Suppose any fraction has a denominator is the form of 2 to power m into 5 power m. 2 to power. Now you write 31,3,125 equal to p upon q. Here p equal to 13 and q equal to 3125. So find the prime factors of q 3125. Find the prime factor of 3125. Then you find 5 into 5 to 5 into 5 to 5. 5 5 25, 5 125, 1 6 26 and 25 5 is 3125. The third is the form of 5 to power 1 2 3 4 5, 5 to power 5. Here you find not 2 to power condition. You find 5 to power n. So you can write on this 2 to power 0 into 5 to power 5. You can write, so it is found the, so it is form on the form of the 2 to power m into 5 power n. So 13 upon 3125 is terminating decimal. Okay, if you find only the term of 2, then you can write 2 to 5 to power 0. When if here I find 5 to power 5, then write 2 to power 0, because 2 to power 0, any integer has a power 0 value 1. Here 2 to power 0, it means value 1. So our integer 5 to power 5, if we multiply by 1, there is no effect. So you multiply by any integer power 0, it means 2 to power 0, and either you write for 5 to power 0, those in the that is in the form of 2 to power m into 5 power n. If you find 2 to power m and 7 to power n, then you write that is non-terminating decimal, because you are this denominator is not in the form of 2 to power m into 5 power n. So you can write it is a non-terminating decimal. If you find 5 to power n or 3 to power n, then you can also write that is the rational number not in the form of terminating decimal, that non-terminating decimal. You can write here. So our students solve all these remaining parts with the help of this solution. So your second point 17 upon 8. If you factor of 8, then you find 2 into 2 into 2. So you can write 2 to power 3 into 5 to power 0. So that is also in a terminating form. Okay students, solve these questions, these points, and wait for next video. And your second question is also depend on this question. Second question says write down the decimal expression of those rational numbers in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. Your question says write down the decimal expansion. राइट डाउन द डेसिमल. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज ज्वाइनिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो आपका है वो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इट सेज राइट डाउन द डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दोज रेशनल नंबर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. इज क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट above which have terminating decimal expansion. Suppose you find first point that is terminating decimal. This one is terminating decimal. So you have to find in decimal form. Now first I solve in this question on question number 2 to first point. Suppose 13 upon 3125. You find 13 upon 5 to power 5. 5 to power 5. Then you make and you write 2 to power 0, but here 5 to power 5, so you multiply 2 to power 5 into 2 to power 5, both numerator and denominator, because in the multiple of 5 into 2 that you find in the 10 condition of 0. So you can write 13 into 2 to power 5. 2 to power 5 means 32 upon 5 into 2, it means you find 10 to power 5. Okay, now multiply these two conditions. 13 and 32. 13 to the 13 to 26, 2 carry 13 to 39 to 41, 416 upon 10 to power 5, and write down the decimal of before of the 5 digit 1 2 3. Here you find 3 digit before 2 zeros, 416.0.00416. It is in the form of decimal expansion. So students, this is the second point, second question of with the help of the first question. So students, first you solve the first question, those terms, those rational number in the form of terminating decimal, then you find, and then you change into decimal expansion of according to the question number 2. Okay students, solve these questions with the help of this one. Now next question number 3, that is the last question of this exercise. Next question is the following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form of p upon q, what can you say about prime factors of q? There is the first point. This is the first point, 43.123456789. Students, it is the form of rational number. It is rational number because it is a full terminating. So you can write 43 upon 43.123456789. So suppose I remove here decimal point. 1 is found denominator, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 zeros. Now 4 3 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here 10 to power 9. 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can write 2 into 5 whole power 9. 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and you can write 2 to power 9 into 5 to power 9. So that is the solution. Your question says write down the prime factors of q. Q is the denominator, so q is the form of q. You write prime factors of 2 to power 9 into 5 power 9. So students, solve this remaining 2 points with the help of this one. Okay, and wait for next video. Thank you.